How to add a text box to a product page in Shopify, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a text box to a product page in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up shopify.com and you will get right here on your Shopify admin. After that, what you can do is you can go to the apps right here and you're going to open up your Shopify app store. You can also go to apps.shopify.com and here we're going to search for text box. We will be adding an integration, an app to add a text box to a product page on Shopify. So this is the one that you need to go for. Text box, text product options, add a text box or a text field to a product page. This is the one. Once you select it, you can see this is what it will look like on your product page. You're going to click on install app. You can see I have already installed it. Click on install app and it will be added to your Shopify. Now you will be able to find it within your Shopify here. You can see. Connect the text box to your Shopify store and after that, then you will be able to easily customize your text box. You will be able to specify for which product your text box should be displayed, where it should be displayed, and you can also add links to your product page with this option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.